Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can extend your study permit and also how you can apply for your co-op work permit. So I applied on 3rd June and I got approval on 24th June, as you can see that. So I will show you the all step. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So let's start from beginning. So first we have to write CIC and we get the first link, immigration and citizenship canada.ca. So click on it. Now you have to go on my application. In application we get the one sign in and create an account. So I have already my GCP account, so I follow this step. And also if you do not have your account, you have to create your own account. As you can see that we don't have an account, so you have to register. So I go with my sign in with GCP. So after that you get this kind of page and you have to use your GCP username and password. So I continued. So as you can see that start an application, we have to apply for our study permit and co-op work permit. So we have to apply to come to Canada. So now as you can see that in the personal checklist you get the one option here, visitor visa, study permit and or work permit. So we have to click on it. After that we have to give some question answers. So I wrote the answer according to my status. You have to follow your own answers. Now in this option, are you a lawful permanent resident of US? I said no. Next, what is your current immigration status in Canada? So I am a student. Continue. Marital status, so I said married. And what is your province of destination? So I said Ontario. My college is in Toronto, so I select Ontario. Now as you can see that you get the two options. One is a study permit and second one is a temporary resident visa. So first we have to apply for study permit and work permit. So we have to click on it. After got the approval, we have to continue temporary resident visa. So first click on it, continue. So now are you accompanying a family member who has status? I select no, continue. Do you also want, so as you can see that you get the question like do you also want to apply for work permit? So I select yes. As you can see that I wish to apply for a co-op work permit, so select on it, continue. Now you have to give the detail of your expired study permit. Now this question is about the medical exam, and I came on Canada on September to June. I did not leave the country, so I select no. Now continue next. And have you lived in this country for the last 6 months? So I select no. So for the medical exam you must see a physician of the Canada. I select no, continue. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? I select no. I select no. So this is for the biometric. I select yes. You have to follow your own answers. And this is about the fees. Yes, I select yes. Continue. I select yes. Next. Yes, next. So now after the all the questionnaire you get the review for your answers. As you can see that now you have to click on continue. One more time you have to give the continue. Now the documentation, you have to give your documents. So first you have to fill this IMM 5709 form and you have to give the same detail which detail you already gave during your study visa. So please be careful. Now you have to upload more documents like a co-op letter. This letter you will get from your college. You have to give the passport copy, letter of acceptance, your financial support like your GIC account. Also you have to upload your photocopy. And this one is the temporary resident visa mode outside Canada. You have to also fill this form. This is the simple form. You have to just select yes or no. You are in military or you did any kind of crime or something. So it's very easy, and it is the $150 fees. This is the simple process. So as you can see that I did not submit any document, so it's give me a 60 days to complete my application. So these are the simple steps you have to follow for your work permit and your study permit. So that's it. I wish it is very useful for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in next tutorial.